Today, the crowd speaks louder than truth. And in Isaiah's day, it was no different. Leaders rushed to join the powerful because it was popular. Today, we call it trending. God told Isaiah, do not follow the majority, even when they called him dangerous. They asked, is it popular? But God asked, is it right? Is it my will? Today, truth is outvoted by popularity, and the majority is running off the cliff again. But God is not looking for consensus. He's looking for courage. Isaiah said, if you don't stand firm in faith, you will not stand at all. So ask not what's popular. Ask what's right.